was selected, even on that day it was on post. And we are being advised, some people were advising, not advising, that the moment we reject the select committee, it means that the case will go for free and CS Linturi will go untouched. Based on that, the House of the Floor allowed them to proceed. We did not know, little did we know, that they were going to produce a study report. I'm advocating that this is a select committee which must not be selected any other time to represent the Kenyans. It is a shame, it is disgusting, and we're not tolerating it. Finally, bringing the case back is not an issue. CS Linturi had somebody who is called accounting officer. That is the permanent secretary. He had procurement officers. There is nothing wrong with auditing their role in this because CS implements the policy. If he failed in taking charge of implementing the policy and looking into the methodology and the framework of ensuring that the farmer gets the fertilizer, on that case he failed. And we are saying that the procurement team, the permanent secretary now must be brought to book. We don't want jokes in Kenya. The jokes which are happening in Kenya are far beyond, and we're not going to tolerate it. Thank you.